All right, so I'm doing a quick screenshot video here on kind of how to use Dropbox for more complex cases, right? So we do this a lot for commercial. You can also do it for personal too. So if you go in Dropbox, you obviously see there's, commercial, where it just says commercial and personal. If you look though, there's also one that says commercial clients and personal lines client files. So if you see in here, and again, it comes up a lot in commercial where there's just, it's an easy place to save stuff, right? That's my point. So on this case right here, this is a personal client we're working on named Jeff Quitco. I'm pretty sure we don't have a file for him so far. So I'm just going to go new folder. I'm just going to call it Quitco Jeff. And I'll pull this down so you can see it. Then we'll hit enter. And then really what I'm going to do is just start saving stuff in here to keep everything organized. Now, again, I can't stress, this does not negate you not having to get stuff into EasyLinks. You have to get stuff in EasyLinks. But when we get so many things, it's really easy, a lot easier, I should say, to drag stuff in here. So, and then kind of label it, right? So Kayla, who's been working really, really hard on this, and on all sorts of different options and proposals and different things, I'm just going to grab things in here that I think would definitely be really important. And that way we've got it all together in one. And that's pretty much it. So basically it's just the idea that it's an easy way to organize things. You could put proposals, you could put inspections, you could put appraisals, you could put elevation certificates, whatever it may be that you think would be helpful to have. You could put in here, and I think I even have that I had saved before. And now, as opposed to going back and forth through your email, or as opposed to trying to pull it all out of EasyLinks, you've got it in one nice, easy spot. So that's really it. That's the idea. If you've got questions on how to do that, let me know.